As most of you know, the 02 and 03 WRX seem to have this foul fuel smell that you can smell outside the car and also inside the car. And you've probably already done your research and found out that it is because of fuel lines on the passenger side of the vehicle. So since I had to replace my turbo inlet hose because it was destroyed, I figured I'd get to these lines while I could. So you see this line here is one of the lines. Now keep in mind, these screws here, one was placed right side up, the other was placed upside down, similar to that setup. There's one upside down and one right side up. So how are you supposed to tighten this one here? You know, are you supposed to get some needle nose pliers and just twist this? I don't know. I couldn't do it. I didn't want to destroy those threads. So while this thing was out, I figured I'd turn this guy over here, which is this one here. Turn this one over, and I'm going to do the same with this one here. So you've got to crack the screws loose a bit to be able to actually twist the hose. Now I wasn't planning on doing these fuel lines, but if you are planning on doing it, I suggest you sort of depressurize the fuel system. And the way you do that is you pull the EFI or the fuel pump fuse while everything is still connected on your engine, and crank it a few times. That way it just burns off all the fuel that's left in the lines, so you can safely remove those two hoses or any of the other fuel lines you're going to get to, and it doesn't spray gasoline all over you. So since I wasn't planning on doing it, my fuel system is still pressurized. I don't believe it is in a safe state to start the car at this point, so therefore I'm not going to be removing these fuel lines. I'm just going to loosen them up and twist them so they are both facing upward in the event I need to tighten these down. I can get to them a little easier. So again, this is on the 02, 03 in specific WRX, and from my understanding it is also an issue with the 04, 05. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you out as best as I can. Thanks for watching.